Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start now. Identify the drive letter you need, for example D. You must open Command Prompt as administrator. This gives the tools access to the disk. Once done, make sure the damaged drive is not being written to by the system. Every write reduces recovery odds. You will use chkdsk to detect and fix file system errors, and then deploy built-in copy tools to extract readable files. Follow the steps in order to minimize further data loss and preserve recoverable sectors. Run chkdskd /f/r to scan for and attempt repair of bad sectors. The /r flag reads data and recovers readable information. Once chkdsk finishes, inspect the log for recovered file names. Next, use robocopd /recovered/e/r 1/w 1 or xcopy /e /recovered/e/h to copy directory trees to a safe drive. This avoids writing back to the source. Make sure to copy. After copying, verify several sample files to confirm they open and are intact. This step ensures success and reveals what else you must try. If files remain corrupted or chkdsk failed, create a sector-by-sector image using DD for Windows or a similar tool, then work from the image to avoid damaging the original. One key tip: if operations stall or errors persist, stop immediately and image the disk. Continuing writes can permanently destroy recoverable data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.